If your Nintendo Switch keeps lagging, stuttering, or slowing down during gameplay, I may be able to help. Whether it's frame drops, delayed responses, or internet lag, there are simple ways to fix it. Let's try some of the most effective steps one by one. Solution 1. Restart the console. First, give your Switch a quick refresh. Hold the power button for 3 seconds, wait for this panel to show up. Select power options. Now hit restart. This clears any background bugs or memory leaks that may cause lag. Now check if the problem is gone after the restart. Solution 2. Check software updates. Open up your Switch, go to System Settings, scroll all the way down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is running the latest firmware. Outdated software can cause performance issues or bugs. Solution 3. Switch to airplane mode. If you're playing a single-player offline game, turn on airplane mode to reduce background network noise. Go to System Settings, move to airplane mode, now toggle it on. This works on handheld mode only, but it can reduce system lag from Wi-Fi, searching, or background sync. Solution 4. Switch the network method. If your lag only happens online, try this. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Now restart your router and the Switch and see if your lag gets fixed or not. If possible, use a wired Ethernet adapter for a direct connection. LAN connection is usually more stable than Wi-Fi, so it can fix your internet lag issues. You can also go to System Settings, then move to Internet. After that, choose Test Connection to check your speed and signal strength. If the connection is slow, try contacting your internet provider. Fix 5. Clear the cache. Go to System Settings, then go all the way to System. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Choose Formatting options. Select Clear Cache and choose the user if you're prompted to. Just reset from here. Don't worry, it won't delete your saved data or games. This can fix random performance issues and lag spikes. Hopefully these fixes helped you tackle your lag problems on the Switch. Let me know if these helped you out or not. And if you want more tips on your Nintendo Switch or any other console, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.